Most men have absolutely no idea this, but your daily water habits could be silently sabotaging your erections. I'm Dr. Jesse Mills, urologist and men's health specialist, and today I'm going to reveal the exact way you should be drinking water to maximize blood flow, hormone function, and erectile performance, and why almost every doctor you've seen missed this critical detail. By the end of this video, you'll know the hidden hydration strategy that can naturally support stronger, longer-lasting erections, improve stamina, and even boost testosterone. This isn't hype. This is backed by real science, and it's simple enough to implement today. Let me level with you. I've treated thousands of men struggling with erectile dysfunction, low libido, and waning energy, and the number one overlooked factor is almost always something as simple as hydration. Many men assume they're drinking enough water, but what they don't realize is that timing, quantity, and even the type of fluids you consume directly affect penile blood flow and testosterone levels. I remember a patient, Mark, a 42-year-old professional, who was frustrated because every supplement, every workout, even his diet was optimized, yet his erections were weak. After just 2 weeks of adjusting his water intake and timing, combined with a few foundational habits, he reported the strongest erections he'd had in over a decade. That's the power of getting hydration right, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, let's talk about the foundation. You see, hydration isn't just about avoiding dehydration. Water is literally the transport medium for nutrients and hormones in your body. Blood volume, nitric oxide levels, and even testosterone production are all heavily dependent on proper hydration. Studies show that even mild dehydration can reduce blood volume by 5 to 10%, which directly limits the ability of your arteries to expand and allow blood into the penis. Nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for dilating blood vessels during arousal, is reduced in a dehydrated state. That means less blood flow, weaker erections, and compromised sexual performance. This is why hydration isn't optional, it's foundational. Start by understanding that the water you drink is the very fuel that powers erectile function at a cellular level. Now let's get to the actionable fix. Most men are making two major mistakes. 1, they sip sporadically and rely on coffee or sodas. 2, they chug large amounts of water at the wrong times, which doesn't support absorption and can even dilute electrolytes. The correct strategy is simple but precise. Divide your water intake throughout the day, ideally in 200 to 250 milliliter increments every 90 minutes, with extra hydration around workouts and meals. Include a small pinch of high-quality salt in your water occasionally to maintain electrolyte balance. This optimizes blood volume and nerve signaling, directly affecting penile rigidity. Picture this. Your arteries are highways, and blood is traffic. If the highways are narrow because of dehydration, no amount of testosterone or supplements can force traffic through. But when water intake is steady and balanced, your highways are wide open. Implementing this alone can dramatically improve morning erections, spontaneous arousal, and overall sexual stamina. Beyond water itself, we need to understand the hidden hormonal and metabolic link. Testosterone, the primary male hormone, is exquisitely sensitive to hydration. When your body is dehydrated, cortisol, the stress hormone, spikes. High cortisol directly suppresses testosterone synthesis, damages endothelial cells lining the arteries, and increases inflammation. Insulin sensitivity is also reduced when hydration is low, leading to more fat storage, especially around the abdomen, which further suppresses testosterone. This creates a vicious cycle. Low water intake leads to hormonal imbalance, poor blood flow, and weaker erections. The solution is more than just drinking water. It's about strategic hydration that supports hormonal balance, reduces cortisol, and enhances insulin efficiency. When you fix this, erections naturally become stronger, libido increases, and energy skyrockets. Next, consider lifestyle and longevity. Hydration isn't just about performance in the bedroom, it's about sustaining health for decades. Chronic dehydration contributes to kidney stress, cardiovascular strain, and even cognitive decline. Stress management and proper sleep amplify the effects of hydration on erectile health. For example, deep quality sleep boosts nocturnal testosterone release, and being well hydrated ensures that this testosterone can circulate efficiently. Simple practices like limiting late-night alcohol, minimizing processed foods, and using natural stress reduction techniques like walking, meditation, or even cold exposure can multiply the benefits of proper hydration. Think of it as a holistic system. Hydration is the engine, lifestyle is the fuel, and your hormones are the gears that convert effort into results. Neglect one, and the system falters. For those ready to take it a step further, advanced biohacking techniques can supercharge the results. Techniques like tracking blood markers for hydration, electrolytes, and nitric oxide, combined with morning cold exposure or targeted light therapy, can significantly enhance vascular function. Some men even benefit from intravenous hydration protocols or advanced mineral supplementation under professional supervision, particularly if they're highly active or have a history of metabolic issues. The key is precise, data-driven adjustments rather than guessing. When you fine-tune these variables, your erectile function and overall vitality can reach levels most men assume are impossible after their 30s. Now, let's debunk a couple of myths. Myth 1. Drinking coffee or caffeinated beverages counts toward hydration. False. Coffee is mildly diuretic and actually reduces optimal blood flow if relied upon excessively. Myth 2. You should drink 8 glasses at random times during the day. Also, false. Timing matters. Spreading intake consistently ensures proper absorption, prevents kidney stress, and maintains blood volume. And the single biggest mistake men make daily? Not linking hydration to hormonal cycles and vascular health. They treat water as an afterthought rather than a critical, active intervention that directly impacts sexual function. So here's the final takeaway. Step 1. Structure your hydration properly. Small sips every 90 minutes with electrolyte support. Step 2. Support your lifestyle, sleep well, manage stress, and maintain cardiovascular health. Step 3. Fine-tune your hormones by understanding the interplay between hydration, cortisol, insulin, and testosterone. Follow these 3 steps consistently, and you will notice dramatic improvements in erections, stamina, and overall masculine vitality. Remember, the body responds when given the right fuel and the right environment. Stop neglecting water. It's not just a drink, it's the secret to restoring sexual performance and health. Implement this now, and you'll thank yourself for years to come.